Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Those who are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe to this channel where I typically try to share some of the learnings from my previous B2B experience as well as what I am learning as of today in respect to how the entire B2B industry is getting reshaped based on the recent artificial intelligence slash generative AI slash agentic AI automation, right? Now, having said that, I also wanted to like not only use this opportunity in this channel to only talk about some of the technicalities of like how you do mapping, business process development, uh, production support and all that, which definitely would help you in your day-to-day task, but also I want you to start upskilling yourself, right, in respect to where this industry or in this particular technology is moving forward. So uh, that you are ready for the jobs that are going to come in the future, right? So recently, like even when I was looking into like some of the job opportunities for the LinkedIn group that I have, where typically I share some of those EDA NFT related stuff, I found an interesting job today itself, which is around solution architect agentic AI. So they are looking for like even architects who are uh, like well versed in respect to implementing, developing, and also executing agentic AI workflows. So with that as a backdrop, let's get started with today's video. So in today's video, uh, what I'm gonna show you is really going to uh, like help you navigate or at least like get an idea of where this B2B integration is going to be in next few years, so that you all in addition to your day-to-day job start getting some kind of education or knowledge on the agentic AI specific workflows and how that agentic AI is going to get integrated into the B2B integration space. So uh, probably few of you know, but for everyone's sake, I just wanted to let you know there is a conference that typically happens once in every year, which is like from IBM, right? Which is called IBM TechXchange. And in this annual uh, industry conference led by IBM, typically they have a lot of keynote sessions around integration or like IBM products. This year it happened in Orlando, Florida, just a couple of days back. And when I was going through some of the topics that were presented in that tech exchange around B2B integration, I wanted to share some of the tidbits, right, in respect to some of those interesting sessions and workshops, which really like is I would say revolutionizing and is gonna really change the way we think that like our B2B integration, the way we implement maps and workflows or do troubleshooting or trading partner onboarding. So let me really share my screen and then we can go through that. All right. So what I have done is I have taken a PDF copy of all the IBM Tech Exchange sessions that has happened this week, which relates to B2B integration, right? And I'm gonna like briefly show you some of those. Like I'm not gonna go through this entire document, right? Feel free to reach out if you need this document, or you can just search for IBM Tech Exchange 2025, and you should be able to see the agenda or the catalog, right? Now, interesting things. So I'm gonna just touch base few of them. If you see over here, this is a session which happened on October 7th, and the session topic was B2B MFT, tech track, app integration. And then if you see over here, the topic is revolutionizing B2B integration. IBM B2BI SaaS embraces AI and modernization, right? Now, if you look into the abstract of this specific topic, it says as the world embraces AI, IBM's B2B SaaS platform, right, which is not the traditional on-prem software I'm talking about. The SaaS platform enables users to engage with the B2B integration system that you guys are actually working via a natural language chatbot. So there would be a chat interface which will be sitting on top of this platform. And then that chatbot, what you're going to do is you're going to use some natural language query or prompts that you're going to give. And you don't have to, like, as a developer, right, the way you do trading partner onboarding by going into individual screens and areas within the Sterling integrator. This chatbot will have that agentic AI capabilities and tools and things that it can like autonomously take decisions on. Is going to go and do trading partner configurations, like let's say you want to do an update, like maybe someone's like IP addresses have changed, things like that, right? And transaction data insights. So it says further, like in this lab you will use B2B SaaS in flight 2.0, which maintains all existing in-flight capabilities, but also the tool's performance. Okay, so here is this. As part of this lab, you will be able to provision new protocol configuration, update existing configuration using AI chatbot. You can also create an update map and tie all of the assets and deploy and execute end-to-end transaction and track it on a new modern in-flight too. So literally, I think this specific like lab, if you are really like think upon little deeply, is going to automate 60 to 70% of the tasks that we do right now manually, right? Does it mean that it's going to replace our jobs? No, I don't think so. But I think this is going to give like it's gonna is significantly improve your productivity. Definitely, maybe a junior developer might be able to act as a senior developer, because now it's more of like, okay, you need to oversee some of those agentic AI workflows and be able to take like maybe give feedback and also like do some code reviews very quickly. So there's a lot of areas that probably the productivity will be in, like increased. But think upon the next like few years how this B2B integration and agentic AI integration is going to seamlessly interact with each other, and some of the jobs that some of the things that we do as a day to day, like a Sterling B2B integrator uh, professional, is going to change significantly. Right now, let's dive deep. Let's me go to something. Let's see. These are like simple ones. I have few. Let's see. Okay, this ask me. Okay, here's another one. You can see it's a technology breakout, B2B app integration. It says building resilient B2B ecosystems in a hybrid world. So it says like it's going to share some real world strategies for creating resilient B2B environments across hybrid infrastructure, which means like maybe we're talking about multi cloud, maybe you're talking about hybrid is like in respect to on prem and cloud, right? Some of those. And then this panel also going to highlight how organizations are leveraging cloud bursting, intelligent middleware, not only middleware, intelligent middleware, right? Be very careful about this keywords, and automation to ensure business continuity, scalability, and high availability without compromising security, right? So this is interesting, and if you see, like it also talks about like how you can get insights into overcoming integration challenges and future-proofing your operations using AI, right? That's interesting. Okay. Um, See over here, this one, right? It says. In this hands-on workshop, you will leverage the power of a specially pre-trained AI agent chatbot to conduct a comprehensive assessment of your current MFT and B2B infrastructure, right? And then forget dry presentations. This session is designed to be fun and using, okay, we'll roll out this list, inputting key information about the MFT setup, pain points, and strategic goals. Then it's gonna this intelligent AI companion will then guide you through a dynamic evaluation process, identify different gaps, red flags, opportunities. So kind of an audit that it can do automatically. By the end of the day, it will have some generic advice. Will walk you with a custom tailored set of actionable recommendations, prioritized by business value, financial benefits. Right. So this is interesting one. So you can do some kind of audit, some kind of like check on your existing system to be able to then get some of the recommendations. Typically, what we do is as a B2B integrated administrator, right? We do some kind of sanity checks, right, on the system itself, and then identify some of the opportunities of like maybe the database is growing, there's some orphan records that are not getting cleaned, maybe there are like some CPU memory shortage, things like that, right? So think about those auto like manual stuff that we used to do as an infrastructure admin guy. Okay, now that can be like automated using some of those AI automations, right? So this is very, very, very eye-opening for me at least. So I thought like maybe it's worthwhile to share some of that with all of you to just uh, like let you know, right, that this is coming, this is real, right? This is not that we are talking about something like which is like very far away, or like which is like really in like someone's thought process. Is really in like execution. Okay, this is a big conference where they are like presenting to a lot of customers, so it's real, right? It's already there, this agentic AI automation. Now very interesting, like I found another conference that happens before this, which is called Reimagine, right? If you see over here, and then this specific um, topic which was presented by one of the chief architect for AI, and he is part of the IBM integration platform, typically, which is also encompassing like Sterling products, right? So it says agentic integration, the topic itself, like empowering AI agents to build your integration. So even like if you go through this 35 minutes of session, it has a demo as well. Very interesting, like how you can like use some natural language prompting in the IDEs and then like create integration workflows automatically, right? And just validating them. So I'm going to share this link as well, okay, in the comment section in case if you want to like just listen in. Isn't an eye opener, right? For me at least, and I hope that this might be helpful for you also. So with that, let me know like in the comment section how you guys are thinking around this agentic AI workflows, and I think few of the last videos I did talk about this agentic AI integration, some of the uh, post I have mentioned in our LinkedIn group as well around that. And I really want like feedback or some of the comments on that, like how you are thinking, or do you think that this is still something that uh, is like not very important, right, for you based on what you're seeing in the real world, right? So I would really love to hear your feedback on that. So with that, I'm going to conclude today's session, and also I'm going to upload one of my colleague, like a very good friend of me, like as I mentioned, he has made some good videos on some of the basic concepts of mapping and business process. So I'm going to do that right after this. So do take a look into that, like if you're looking for some hands-on help and support right around the IBM Sterling integrator stuff. So hopefully that will be also helpful to you. And yeah, with that, I'll probably see you next week. Thank you and take care.